You know I gotcha, you know that I got you like that. Ain't nobody gonna have your back like the way I do. Love it, just say you do. You know you got me. Everything you do, everything you did, everything I wish I was with makes me feel alright. I'm just saying so. I really like it. Nothing in the world can make me feel the way you do the things you do. I really like it. Nothing in the world can make me feel the way you do the things you do. I love you and me, dancing in the moonlight. Nobody can see. It's just you and me tonight. I love you and me, dancing in the moonlight. Nobody can see. It's just you and me tonight. Look at you, now look at me. Are you ever gonna find someone like this? Look at you, now look at me. Are you ever gonna find someone like this? Ever gonna find someone like this?
I don't care about your first love, this should be your last one. Nothing like your last one. You look better on me, that's fashion. Won't block your shots, lights, camera, action. Never been a love me or a love me not thing. Every pedal better tell him better not change. I love you, I love me a lot. Wait, which one I love better? Better off not saying.
I love you and me.
Mami, Be, sa loob ng maraming taon nating pagsasama, minahal natin ang isa't isa at nagbunga ng isang gwapong anak. Pasensya kung sa tagal ng panahon, ngayon lang tayo ikinasal. I believe in God's time kung saan sakto at ayos ng lahat.
I was in college. Via mutual friend po kasi kami nagkakilala. Ang close friend ko po. Yung close friend ko kasi is pinsan ng partner ko ngayon. Which is naghanap siya before ng yung friend-friend lang. Then, as usual, pagkatapos ng friend, yung nagkaintindihan na, sinagot ko siya.
Siyempre, excited, masaya, pero at least, isang sa mga dreams namin, apat na maglilimang taon na yung anak namin, ngayon pa lang kami kakasal. At lahat ng ito dahil kay Papa Jesus.
Ano ang kapatid ng pag-ibig? Katapatan, sabi ni San Pablo. Ano ang kapatid ng katapatan? Pag-ibig. Whether it is love or faithfulness, love or fidelity, let it be your principle. Let it be your virtue. Let it be your life. Let it be your secret. Junior and Junior.
Excited po, tsaka medyo nervous. Kasi finally, this is it na talaga. Our wedding.
Regeline, yung mapapangasawa ko, siya talaga yung nagmahal sa akin ng totoo. Pinakita niya kung gaano talaga siya. At minahal niya ako ng buong buo. At yun ang papasalamat ko sa kanya.
Hi, my ex-boyfriend. Today, I can now call you my husband. Finally, this is it. The God's perfect time. And today, I vow to love you with the same unconditional love Christ has shown to us. To honor you, serve you, and lift you up in all seasons of life.
Sa pag-iisa ng ating puso, nangangako akong maging iyong lakas sa kahinaan, iyong sigla sa kalungkutan, at iyong kasama sa bawat pakikipagsapalaran. Sabay nating aabutin ang ating mga pangarap. I love you, Mami, so much.
Pinakamagandang biyaya ng Diyos, sabi ni San Pablo, ay nasa kalooban ng tao, nasa kalooban ng mag-asawa. Ang kaloobang nais niya na naroroon ang pag-ibig at katapatang ipinaglalaban sa iba.
Kasi po si Danilo, napaka-caring niya po. Tsaka gentleman. Yun po yung nakikita ko sa kanya. Pag kami lang talaga, napaka-sweet niya. Na hindi nakikita ng iba.
Ikaw naman, Danilo Jr., bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Regeline na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Po, Father.
Regeline, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Danilo Jr. na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Yes po, Father.
Ikaw ang simula at katapusan ng aking mundo. Ipinapangako kong igagalang, susuportahan at mamahalin kita sa mga panahong madali at mahirap hanggang sa aking huling hininga.
Payo ko lang sa anak ko, sana masaya silang mag-asawa, huwag sana silang mag-away.
Message ko sa inyo na magsasama kayo habang buhay at laging magkaintindihan at laging magkaunawaan.
Gusto ko lang maging masaya sila, yun lang.
And just like the song of Ben and Ben, araw-araw, that love is a choice we make over and over again. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Congratulations to us and Sarah, wala ka ng Paula. Love, Julian.
Kayo ng mapagmahal at makapangyarihang Diyos, Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Umayo kayo mapayapang namumuhay sa pag-ibig at katapatan. Junior, pwede mo nang ibigay ang pinakamasarap na kiss, ang sagradong halik kay Rachel.
When we stumble, I will kneel with you in prayer, knowing that our strengths come not from ourselves, but from Him who brought us together.